Assalamu alaikum kids. Here is your teacher, Miss Bella, and here is your friend, Go. So today we are going to do Arabic letters. The first letter of Arabic is Hamza. Hamza. Hamza looks like an alligator. Very nice, Coco. The next letter is Ba. 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 Ba has B-like sound. Ba. B. Ba. Very nice, kids. What's the next letter, Coco? Ta. Ta. Ta has two dots on it, Miss Bella. Very nice, Coco. Ba, ta are same, but ta has two dots on it, and ba has only one dot. What's the next letter, Coco? Can you see it? Yay! The next letter is Tha. Tha. Sa. Sa. Very good, Coco. Sa has S-like sound. Sa. Very good job, kids. Kids, can you see the next letter? I can see it. Very nice. This is Jim. Jim has a huge belly and a belly button in it. Very nice, Coco. Jim has a big belly and a belly button in it. This one is difficult, Coco. You have to make a smiley face and say Ha. Ha. Very good, kids. In the next letter, you have to make a round face and a heavy voice. What is this? Ho. 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 From your throat. Ho. Very nice, kids. Yay. What's the next letter, Coco? In this letter, you have to make a smiley face and it looks like this. What is this letter? This is Dal. Dal. Very good, kids. What's next, Coco? This letter has Z-like sound. Z. Say it with me, Coco. Dal. Dal. Yes, and we are making smiley face on it. Dal and Zal are same. Dal has no dot. Zal has only one dot. Very nice, Coco. What's the next letter? I know it. It has R-like sound. R, R-like sound. Coco, come. Ro. Yay, very good, kids. What's next? It also looks like raw, but it is za. Make a smiley face and say za with full energy. Za. Za has only one dot. Ra and za are same, but za has only one dot and ra has no dot. Very good, Coco. What's next? Scene. S-like sound. Scene. Very nice, Coco. Good job. Okay, so the next letter is Sh. Sheen. Sheen has 3 dots on it. Very nice, Coco. This letter is difficult one because you have to make your lips round and make a voice. What's this? Sod. Now again your lips round and say this letter. This is Dod. This one is Do. What's next? Zo. Again, we have to make our lips round. What's this, Coco? I don't know it. It's okay. We will learn it. It's Ain. From your throat. Ain. Ain. Yay, we did it. What's next? Again from your throat. Say it with me. Ain. Ain. Nice, Coco. We did it. What's next? Coco, come. Fa. 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 F-like sound. Fa. Very nice. Next letter. This one is difficult, Coco. Kids, you will learn it. Cough. Cough. Very nice. Now make a smiley face and say Kef. Kef. Very nice. So what's next? It has L-like sound, Coco. L, L, lam, lam. Good job. What's this? Meme. Close your lips, Coco. Meme. Meme. Very nice, kids. Good job. So do you know what's our next letter? It's Noon. Noon. Like we say, it's noon time. The letter is Ha. Like ha 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 ha. What's this? Ha. Good job. Okay, kids. So what you say when you see something amazing? Wow. Wow. Very good, Coco. When we see something amazing, we say wow. So this letter is wow. So what's next? Next letter is La. La. It also has L-like sound. Let's make it long. La. Very good, Coco. You know it? I don't know it. The last letter of Arabic is Ya. Say it, Coco. Ya. Very nice, kids. You all have done a very good job. Okay, do practice these all Arabic letters, and me and Coco will see you with new Islamic delight very soon. Fi aman Allah.